Here we are using two libraries, Adafruit SSD1306 and Adafruit GFX, which are used for OLED display. And the another library which we are using, that is MFRC522, which is used for RFID card reader. Now we have to download the library for RFID card reader. You have to click on Sketch, Include Library and Manage Library. Now in the search bar you have to type MFRC522. It will take some seconds. Okay, now you have to select the latest version and that's it. You have to just install it. After installation, now it's time to upload the code in Arduino. You can see that this is the remaining code. It's pretty simple. So how you have to install the code in Arduino? You have to click on Tools, then you have to select the port, and board is already selected. Now let's upload the code. If you guys are interested to learn more about Arduino, basics of Arduino, programming and sensors, a course is already uploaded on Udemy. You can explore it once. Whenever you are placing the unauthorized card on RFID card reader, the bulb is off. You can turn on the bulb using authorized card